Hello everyone, hope so all of you are fine and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about procedure of near visual acuity. Reading distance between J chart and subject is 30 to 45 cm. Bring the eye occluder before the known testing eye. Ask the subject to read chart from top to lowest line. The notation of varying sizes of reading letter is based on the printer's system. The smallest print used is N5. Record the near visual activity as the smallest type of letter which subject can read comfortably. The visual acuity of a normal subject is N5. Repeat the same procedure for the other eye. Now we will discuss demonstration of hearing test. Hearing tests are performed to evaluate the mode and level of deafness, whether in conduction systems or neural pathways, by a process comparing air conduction to bone conduction. Requirements: tuning fork 256 or 512 Hz, cycle per second frequency, earplugs, adjustable stool, rubber pad and subject. Methods include voice test, whisper test, tuning fork test and audiometry. First of all, we will discuss about voice test. In this test, the subject is asked to tell whether he can hear and understand spoken words or not. Subject is made to sit in a quiet room at a distance of 5.5 meter. Face is turned to one side, presenting the testing ear to the examiner. The other ear is closed by inserting finger or cotton plug. The eyes should also be closed to avoid the lip reading. First of all, very soft whisper is made and it is observed whether the sound is perceived by the subject. If the soft whisper is not perceived by the subject, forced whisper voice is made and result is recorded for each ear. Normal subject is able to hear 100% words at a distance of about 5.5 meter. If the subject is unable to hear whispered word, a conversation voice is used and distance is measured. If the subject cannot hear the conversational voice, the loud voice is made and the distance is recorded. Now we will discuss about observations. Methods: Rennie test, Weber test, Schwabach test and modified Schwabach test. Normal hearing is positive in Rennie's test. In conduction deafness it is negative, and in perception deafness it is reduced positive. In Weber test it is centralized. Conduction deafness is lateralized to affected ear and lateralized to healthy ear in perception deafness. In Schwabach test, normal hearing is equal. Conduction deafness lengthened compared to examiner and shortened compared to examiner in perception deafness. In modified Schwabach, normal hearing is same, conduction deafness is same and perception deafness is same. Further we will discuss about in next lecture.